Looks like a mountain. Mama will cook chicken afritada. She's preparing for everything that she needs for the afritada chicken. You know, chicken so yummy. Cutting all the chicken according to its size for afritada. Chicken afritada. She's tired of waiting. So wait for the garlic to make it a bit brownish. Why does it smell so good when you fry that garlic? Wow! Wait! Oh, there's a bukog. There's a bone. Why is it you're getting all the bone in order for them? Really? In order for them. Then she's going to put pepper. Pepper. Wow. Dili lagi ikaw. Jackie ato. Then what? Okay. Wow. Then it's so yummy. Slow down. All the carrots and patatas. Okay. Wow. And another tomato. Oh, I'm so sorry guys. It's a pineapple. Wow. Wow. Add a bit of salt. Okay, here we go. Look guys, it's so Wow. Okay, the last portion. What's that? Tomato sauce. Tomato paste. What's the difference of using tomato paste and tomato sauce?
Yeah, this is not
That's more sticky?
No, not sticky. Not
too. Oh, okay. So it's more better to use that. Ooh. Okay, and another sauce. Tomato sauce. It's so yummy.
Okay lang.
Yeah, you're mixing it. I'm gonna take some video for it. Mom, it looks so delicious. I can't wait to taste and oh! Guys, it's so I can't explain it. It's so so yummy. Pero yan, ano. Looks like a mountain. Wow.